Dear friends, let us see a question based on divisibility rules. Here is the question for you. What is the least number that should be added to 2102 2102 so that the resultant number is exactly divisible by 3? Options are 1, 2, 3, 4. My dear friends, we know the divisibility rule for 3 is the digital sum. That means the sum of all the individual digits in the number should be 3 or multiples of 3. So going into the solution, I'm going into the solution. Friends, the given number is 2102. Now the requirement is this: what should be added to this number? The two least number in the given options. That means that the number should be 1, 2, 3, 4. In these 4 numbers only, one number should be added. The given number is 2102. What is the addition of 2, 1, 0 and 2? 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 0 is 3, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Friends, the digital sum is equal to 5. Now what is the next immediate multiple of 3 of 5? 6. So what should be added to 5 to make it 6? 5 plus 1. That gives you 6. Okay, that means if I add 2102 to 1, the resultant number will become 2103, and this number is exactly divisible by 3. Exactly divisible by 3. So the option will be 1 should be added, so that the digital sum will be 6 and then the resultant number 2103 will be divisible by 3. Suppose, my dear friends, in the same case, what should be added to 2102? Number is same. Suppose if the question is 2102, it should be divisible by 9. Divisible by 9, and the options are 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose what should be added? Same technique applies for 9 also. Here 2102. What is the digital sum of 2102? 5. What is the next immediate multiple of 9? So that the entire number, it should be divisible by 9. 5 plus 4 will give you 9 itself. That is equal to 9. So what should be added? 4. That means the technique is telling if I add 4 to 2102. So 2102 plus 4, that is equal to 2106. This number will be exactly divisible by 9. So here we are going for another example based on the divisibility rule for 3. The question is, if a number 4678x39 is exactly divisible by 3, then how many possible values can x have? Options are 1, 2, 3, 4. Friends, I am going to solve this question by cancellation technique. We know the digit sum of the numbers, the given number should be 3 or multiples of 3 if the entire number should be divisible by 3. But we also have a very good technique, alternate technique called cancellation technique. That is a faster method. So now I am going to use that method to solve this question. The given number is 4678x39. Friends, based on the cancellation technique, 6 is divisible by 3. Yes, 3 is divisible by 3. 9 is divisible by 3. If you add 7 and 8, 7 and 8 will give you 15. 15 is also divisible by 3. Now what is left out is 4 and x. So 4 is not divisible by 3. 4 plus x should be divisible by 3. Then only the entire number should be divisible by 3. So what is the value that I can put in the place of x? I can put 2 here, because 4 plus 2 will give you 6. Or I can put 5 here, because 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 4 plus 5 will give you 9. Or I can write 4 plus 8 here, because 4 plus 8 is 12. Then also the number is divisible by 12. I cannot write 4 plus 11, because 11 is a double digit number. X should be a single digit number. So 2, 5, 8 are the possible values that can go and sit in the place of x. So how many values we have? 2, 4, 5 and 8. That means 3 values. So x can have 3 values. X can be 2, or x can be 5, or x can be 8. Then the number, if you put any of these 3 numbers in the place of x, then the entire number is divisible by 3. So the number of possible values that x can have is 3. So option C is the correct answer for this question. Now there is another question based on divisibility rule for 9. The question is, if a number 785x123 is divisible by 9, then find the value of x. Options are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Friends, we know the rule is same for 3 and 9, but here the digit sum of the number should be 9. 9 or multiples of 9. So I am going to solve this question by using the cancellation technique. The given number is 785x123. Friends, here 8 plus 1 is 9, so that goes in 9. 7 plus 2 is also equal to 9, so that also goes in 9. So 5, 3 and x are left. 5 plus 3 is not 9 or not equal to 9 or not equal to any multiple of 9. So 5 plus 3 plus x, if this sum is divisible by 9, then the entire number is divisible by 9. So what are the numbers that I can put, what are the single digit numbers that I can put in the place of x so that the sum is 9 or equal to 9? The only single digit number that I can put in the place of x is 1. So if I write 5 plus 3 plus 1, that will give you 9. So if I put 1 in the place of x, then the entire number is divisible by 9. So our answer is option A. Option A. Friends, I hope you liked our techniques. Please subscribe to our channel, Mark Institute.